Okay, so we're gonna take a ride for you. I've ridden it before. We're gonna take a ride on the little tramway that takes you from just outside the Bellagio all the way down to the Monte Carlo. Well, it's still in Monte Carlo for a little while. And see, it's up here. If there's a number of people on the train with me, I probably won't be narrating this, but once it arrives, we'll get on. It looks like it might be arriving. So we'll get on the tram and we'll show you what it's like to ride on the tram. Which is cool. We'll get on right now. That was convenient. Oh yeah.
Where are we going? Get down. One, two.
Got it right down to the 2. You got it right there.
The what?
Only 1, they don't do it. Only your 2.
Oh, I know.
I got
Yes.
some.
Yeah, they waited. They're like,
Yeah. Perfect. I did the same.
I'm serious. She's counting.
Doors are now closing. Please stand clear.
Yeah. It's like, no, I want to be under.
The tram is now departing. Please hold on to a handrail.
Okay. So the Aria buffet, Mom, Caesar's Palace buffet is. Didn't I already say not to do that? Look what you did.
Next
You
stop is
decided to climb up there after I told you not to.
extraordinary shopping
And then you hit your sister in the face.
You can also access Aria Resort and Casino from this stop.
What were you saying about the restaurant? Those buffets, Caesar's Palace and Aria Buffet, are fancier. They're more expensive. Fancier than what we had last night. Oh, you look. Hey, Meow, you're supposed to sit at the pool for 15 minutes. Now you don't get to sit up for 5. Hey, it's a win. When we get to the pool, we think you need to get everybody a towel. That'll take about 30 seconds? No. I can make you sit out the pool longer. You're already at 20 minutes. If I take 4 more minutes away, you're not going to have any pool time. You need to get everybody's towel.
Welcome to the Shops at Crystals with access to Aria Resort and Casino. Please stand clear of the doors.
Can I at least take a peek? No.
The next stop is Monte Carlo.
You just climbed up when I told you not to. You climbed up when I told you not to. Sit down, or you're going to stay out of the pool longer. You need to listen to your mother. The first time. Photoshop. I have no idea. Whoever invented it was smart. I thought it was a stupid movie. Do you know what Photoshop is? Yes. It's a good thing.
Well, like for advertisements, it can be good, it can be bad.
Yeah, I usually just use it for nice
Doors are
stuff.
now
So like
closing.
if I have,
Please stand clear.
no, that's not good. Photoshop is good for like, we have pictures and like the grass is green, but then there's a section where the grass is brown. You make the grass look green.
I know.
Or you want to take a picture and there's something in the picture that you don't know, you want to Photoshop them out. That's what's Photoshop. Photoshop is good. Yes.
Next stop is Monte Carlo and Aria Resort and Casino. At the heart of the Las Vegas Strip, Aria is home to 16 dining options and exciting nightlife.
Well, if we have to pay on this, hey, look, it's a fountain that
No,
shoots
it's
water.
real.
Look, they shoot water and they hit each other. Oh, it's going, it's going, it's going. Oh, no, it's we're moving. Now we're moving. Mom, can we go? Can we go to the
The
tower?
tram is now approaching Monte Carlo and Aria Resort and Casino. Please hold on to a handrail. Welcome to Monte Carlo and Aria Resort Casino. Please stay clear of the doors.
Save up your money.
I want to do it on 11.
Save up your money. Next time you come to Vegas, I'll take you to
The
Vegas.
next stop is the Shops and Crystals with access to Aria Resort Casino.
So anyway, perhaps not the most scenic ride. See, it takes about 3-4 minutes to ride over here, which is still substantially less than it would take to walk. But, so there you go, that's the tram. So, hope that was informative. Of course, it's free. So, check it out the next time you want to travel from the mid-strip down further towards the south. Thanks for watching. As always, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.